Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Shalmit Minya. Kindly please hit that subscription button and also go to my previous videos so that you see what we do in this channel. The main purpose of this video today is, now look at that mess that is behind me. We did this DIY art together, but then again they're just falling off. I just don't quite understand what is happening. But today, so first things first, I'll have to go to work, and then in the evening I'll have to rush to the CBD and search for some cheap and affordable frames, so that I just put the art inside the frame, that art and also that art, hoping so if I get very good and at a very affordable, I'll buy for all of the art. But then again, it will depend with the price of the frames. So, and I'm going to CBD. In these places that I'm going to, I checked them at Mwende Kimondo's YouTube channel. So I'll be going to the places that she went, because I saw that she got very cheap and really affordable frames. So I'll be following her route. Thank you so much, Mwende Kimondo, for that, because I would have really struggled just going blindly searching for frames, but thank you so much for that. So for the meantime, guys, I'll have to rush to work, and then I will see you guys in the evening when I'll be doing the hunting for the frames. Guys, so I'm back in the house, and guess what? It is 10:31. I hope you can see that, 10:31, and I'm just getting back in the house. Surprise. But guys, I've managed to get the frames that I needed from a Nairobi supermarket. So let me show you very quick what I got. So I've gotten these two big frames. Yes, that is the size. It is 10 by 12, and each one of them was at 195 shilling, Kenyan shillings, shillings. And then I've gotten these four different colors, white, blue, and then this rustic look. I don't know what is it called or what. And this is 6 by 8, and this goes for 115 bob. I was supposed to buy 11 frames, but because of, I'll be honest, financial reasons, I've only managed to get 6 of them. So I have 5 remaining, but for those 5 that are remaining, I'm thinking of DIYing them. I have an idea in my head what I can do with the 5, yes, with the 5 other frames. I've also gotten this clear mounting tape, which is double-sided, so this is what I'll be using to mount the frames and also to make the other DIY frames. But guys, for the meantime, also, what should I say? I don't know if this is happening to me alone, but this week it is on Monday, and I'm literally feeling like my body is shutting down. I'm very low. In the morning I was low, I told you guys, but I just hope by the time I wake up tomorrow or on Wednesday, I'll just be okay. I hope if it is affecting you, we are in this together. We'll come through strong together. Yeah, so, and I'm just sending you love and some hugs for you guys. So I will see you tomorrow when I'm doing the mountain, and then I show you the final look.
One eternity later.
So hi guys, welcome back. Wow, it has been like forever. So today is on Tuesday, and I started recording this video on Monday last week, and on Friday I also didn't post any video because I always post my videos on Fridays, but I've been going through some emotional turmoil. Is it turmoil? I hope I got that word correct. Yes, so I haven't been in the right headspace, but I'll be okay. I'm just taking some baby steps and taking each day as it comes. Kindly please give this video a thumbs up, comment, kindly share to your friends, and also if you haven't subscribed, kindly do. It keeps me going a long way. Thank you so much. So back to the video. So this is the first mountain tape that I got from Naivas, but it wasn't the typical mountain tape, it is a clear one. So now I do think this I'll be using most of the time as a masking tape. I can't use it to mount anything because I know they'll fall on me, so no. So apparently I've gotten this masking, what is it called, mountain tape, around my own area, and surprising thing, it was 150 bob. And in the supermarket they were selling it at 315 shillings. So I do think that I had a good deal. So guys, you can see how our art looks like. So guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If this has helped you, let me know in the comment section. And I'm also looking for someone who can print A3 art. Kindly, if you're one person who does that, kindly let me know in the comment section. And guys, please, if you want me to do more, please also let me know in the comment section, because this DIY thing, I'm really starting to fall in love with it, because look at that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll always be notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, for the meantime, bye, I love you, adios.